I see my children want to be at the mosque. And as a volunteer in Melbourne, I didn't see that with the children.
I felt like every mainstream schooling system had very similar sort of layouts, making children sit 8 hours in the classroom. Kids need to be outside. Kids need to sort of, nurture amongst Allah's creation.
MashaAllah, the Mareeba community is very special. A formula that came to mind was like 1 + 1 = 3 here. Like you do something for somebody and then the next morning you wake up and someone's dropped off like a bag of veggies at your front door for no reason. Proper village, proper community, mashallah.
I think it's really exciting for the Mareeba community because it's been more than a century since we've had a primary school be built.
I really believe that the experiential approach that this school will be bringing creates an intrinsic motivation, desires within the children to learn and to succeed.
They are taught to care for the masjid themselves, and so they take ownership as a community and they're proper citizens of the community, I feel, mashallah.
Planning for the school, it really sort of opened my heart, made me feel really invested in its success and in their kids' sort of success, having a place to call their own, having a place to feel at home, having a place to learn and grow.
Seeing the children grow, and they are so passionate about the school, you can see it. Inshallah, we'll be able to sort of have the opportunity to see them and sort of see their stories. You'll truly see it from their hearts that they really want this school. They know that the community wants this school. The non-Muslims are saying, wow, this is awesome.